Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla has begun installing solar panels on Giga Berlin's rooftop. Tesla starts delivering Model X all-wheel drive and Plaid to Canada. Model S and X gets new seat warmer rear screen image in latest software update. And Tesla to produce Model 3 with rear single-piece casts, recycling parts from gasoline cars. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla has begun installing solar panels on the building of the Giga Berlin car factory. The company is committed to using sustainable energy to produce environmentally friendly vehicles. Tesla has always wanted to help the world to expedite from a mine and burn hydrocarbon economy toward a solar electric economy. Building new factories, the manufacturer planned to install solar panels to power them with electricity. Thus, solar panels continue to cover Giga Nevada and Giga Texas, and recently, the first installations were spotted on Giga Berlin. Observer of Giga Berlin's construction progress noticed something interesting during his recent drone flyover. The first few clusters of solar panels were installed on the rooftop of one of the workshops of the car factory building. A total of 13 rows were spotted, with 60 to 68 solar panels in each row. Although we do not know the characteristics of the solar panels, this number looks impressive and can certainly supply a large amount of electricity to the Giga Berlin electrical grid. At the moment, no energy storage units have been seen installed outside, so it can be assumed that the panels will power the factory during the day. However, when Giga Berlin was in the installation of equipment phase, at least one power pack was spotted near the building. It could also hint that Tesla may have, or plan in the future, the placement of energy storage batteries to at least partially power the factory even at night. Tesla planned Giga Berlin from the very beginning as a sustainable factory powered by solar energy and windmills that are located relatively close to the plant. The manufacturer stated, Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg will have a solar roof and aims to use renewable electricity to help Germany and Brandenburg achieve its ambition, energy and objectives. At the moment, everything indicates that Tesla is acting according to a predetermined plan and making Giga Berlin a sustainable enterprise. Moving to the next update, Tesla starts delivering Model X all-wheel drive and Plaid to Canada. Tesla has started delivering the long-awaited Model X all-wheel drive and Plaid to Canada. Several cars are prepared for the solemn handover to owners at the delivery center. Tesla has started delivering Model X in Canada, which is incredibly positive news. On April 23, Reddit user GM Screech shared photos of Model X being transported on a trailer. He captioned the photo, "Canadian Plaid Model X arriving." In the comments, GM Screech said he took the photo on the 401 eastbound in Toronto, Ontario, but did not provide an exact date. He also confirmed that there were 3 Model X Plaids, 2 solid black, and 1 red multi-coat, as evidenced by the distinctive badging on the back of the vehicles. On April 24, the Tesla Owners Club of BC shared on Twitter that the Model X are ready for delivery at one of Tesla's delivery centers in British Columbia. The club shared photos of the Model X vehicles. 1, solid black, was in the showroom and was decorated with balloons. At least 2 more, solid black and pearl white multi-coat, were outside. All cars were all-wheel drive. Both sightings show that Tesla has started delivering Model X simultaneously across Canada, meaning the first customers will receive their long-awaited vehicles very soon. While customers in British Columbia have received all-wheel drive versions, customers in Ontario will receive a Plaid variant. Back in December, Tesla stopped taking orders for refreshed Model S and Model X outside of North America, saying they were in the process of ramping up production. Moving to the next update, Model S and X gets new seat warmer rear screen image in latest software update. Tesla's 2022.12.3.1 software update brings a rear screen update for the Model X and Model S vehicles. The update looks to give the seat heater display in the Model S and X a refresh. The new update gives a side view animation of the seats and a vibrant red to showcase they are set to warm. Chad Booker took a photo of the new image in his Model S vehicle. Another user took a picture of his Model X Plaid rear screen with the same new animation. The previous visual was a top-down view with a small heat symbol on the bottom of the seat. The symbol would toggle on or off. This is the only new rear screen update in this software rollout. This new update and 2022.12.2 improved the user interface that added more customization to the bottom toolbar. The update also included some improvements to apps, the child locks, and increased language support for the vehicle. If you have not gotten the update yet, it should be coming, as it continues to roll out over the weekend. Moving to the last update, Tesla to produce Model 3 with rear single-piece casts, recycling parts from gasoline cars. Tesla intends to start producing Model 3 and other new models using rear single-piece casts. The company said that in order to obtain alloys for this, they are going to recycle casting aluminum wheels from legacy gasoline cars. Finally, polluting cars can be of some real use in stopping climate change. The structure of a car is a critical component of its efficiency and performance. This is why Tesla is deeply focused on continuing to enhance its vehicle's structure. During Battery Day, the company announced that it will improve the design of its vehicles using a new battery architecture and a truly radical approach to manufacturing car parts. To enhance Model Y, Tesla created a giant casting machine that is able to produce the rear underbody frame of the car in one piece. This manufacturing process reduced the number of parts and reduced manufacturing costs by 40%. Tesla is the only manufacturer in the industry that uses this approach to manufacture this body part. Single-piece casts give the manufacturer a huge competitive advantage, both in the manufacturing process and in the cars themselves. The one-piece casting process provides an improved modular design with a high degree of integration. This increases the area of action of the collision avoidance beam, thereby improving body performance. Crash safety is improved by over 20%. Now, the base weight is lighter than before. In addition, this production process is more environmentally friendly and energy efficient. Traditional stamping results in a large amount of scrap residual, while with the Giga press, 100% of the raw material is used. This results in resource and energy savings in terms of production and is in line with Tesla's environmental values. During the Q1 2022 earnings call, Senior Vice President, Powertrain and Energy Engineering at Tesla, Andrew Buglino, revealed that Tesla is going to recycle cast aluminum wheels from legacy gasoline vehicles. In fact, they will be putting them into the aluminum melting pot, casting single-piece casts for Model Y, and will likely take this approach to its other car models as well. This approach allows them to get rid of the scrap that pollutes our planet and use it for useful purposes to create something that will help clean it up. The other great news is that Tesla intends to start production of Model 3 using rear single-piece casts, which will mean a significant improvement in both the manufacturing process and the car itself. In addition, the company will be switching to rear single-piece casts in all of its future vehicles, which makes a lot of sense. However, Buglino said that the Model S and Model X should not be expected to receive such an update, although he was not categorical when he said it. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.